answer. Naku, ito. Second game, maganda na. Number 1, tumalaksak. Umitawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Junjun. Junjun, sinalaksak. 2 points by Junjun. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Nakuha ni Pepe. Ngunit wala ang tira niya. Nakuha naman ni 24 ang
Hawak.
Number 24. Pass to number 44. Number 44. Pass to Tunet. 15 second shot clock. 94, wala. 23, nakuha niya. Pinasa kay Renren. Wala. 2 points by Limo. Time. Dayaw. Pumasok ng bola. Three minutes exactly. Number 53. Third personal foul. Number 53. Running for penalty. Ingoing number 34. Pass to Yao. Pumasok ng bola. Yao pumasok. Number 6. Buta ni Yao. Number 7 and 2 boy. Block by number 4. Alaga, ha? 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 second shot clock. Number 7. Junjun, 2 points. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Score, 60-59. Lamang pa rin ang isa ang St. Baptista team. Number 53, sumalaksak. Wala. Loose ball foul. Number 7. Oh yeah. Third personal foul, number 7. 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining. Third foul ng St. Baptista team. Number 53, number 34. 53, tumira. Wala. Dibaw ni number 7. Number 7. Agad ng papasahan. Last 2 minutes. Number 31, Deo Rabola. Number 31, pass on number 34. Number 34. 15 second shot clock. Number 7. Number 7, pass on number 34. Foul. Number 7. Penalty. Tablet. Quarter. First throw ni number 44. Wala. GM, pawis na pawis ka. Second throw. Wala na naman. Di ba wala naman 11 ang bala? 11. Pass number 6. Oras, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Okay, 2 points by Mo. Yay. Lamang na ngayon ang USA ng isa. 60-61. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Number 44. Putuira, wala. Foul. Number 1. Renren. Second personal foul ni Renren. First throw, pasok. Tablet. Ambet out. Edwin in. 1-2. Oras, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Second throw. Pasok. Edwin, binawa bola. 1 and 20. Toto, tumihit, wala. Lumoni, Rena. Pulling foul, number 10. Tigisa. Timo. Pass to number 19. 19 to number 1. Number 1. Pinira. Wala. Lumoni, number 4. Yaumin, pass to Junjun. 59 seconds.
Baba!
Number 4. Sinalaksak! Wala! Lumoni, 54. Foul! Bagsak na naman. 35 seconds. Foul, Mekmek.